Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to Cardi Made It. So today is not a quick tutorial. Today is actually a video to celebrate my latest achievement. I finally reached 1,000 subscribers. Yay! And I just want to say thank you all for watching my videos and subscribing and liking and all that good stuff. I think at the time of this recording, I have reached 1,040 subscribers. So it's only up from here. And I can't wait till I get to 10,000 and even 100,000. Maybe one day even a million, you know? You just gotta have a positive outlook on these types of things. And, thank y'all so much. Because I couldn't get here without you all. So, as promised, I am giving away this Oracal 651 coloring. Oracal 651 is a type of adhesive vinyl with a paper backing that protects the adhesive vinyl until the adhesive is removed. It can be used indoors. It's also waterproof and weather resistant, so it's ideal for outdoor application as well. You can put Oracal 651 on windows. You can use it for car decals, wall decals, signs, stencils, and so much more. I have actually decorated my Cricut machine with Oracal 651. It has a high gloss finish, except for they also have a matte black and a matte white vinyl as well. The benefits of this coloring, basically, when you go to these websites, yeah, they try to do a good, accurate depiction of what the color is, but it's not always spot on. Sometimes it's a little bit off. Your resolution in your computer screen might be off as well. So it just helps to have an actual sample in your hands. And I love using my coloring. If I have like clients who are indecisive about a color they might want, I just pop out my coloring and show them. And you have your colors right here. So as promised, I am giving this very coloring away. Rules. You must be a subscriber and you must like this video. And you have to leave me a comment saying that I would love this coloring, and you have to leave your email address in the comments as well. And that's it. That's how simple it is. I will choose the winner at random. I think I'll do that in about a week. Yeah, I'll give y'all a week and then I will announce my winner. So if you want to win this coloring, subscribe, like, leave me a comment below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.